Hi and welcome to Tableau 101. Today I want to show you how you can add the all filter into a parameter. So for whatever reason you want to use a parameter to filter and you struggle to add the all filter is for example what you can do is you can create a parameter that is the category parameter. We then want an option for all because we want to be able to filter for each of the values, but also for all. I'm going to put that on top. We hit OK. We then can create a calculation where we say category parameter is equal the category, or category parameter is equal to all. Right? So then we call this category filter. We can add this in here, set it to be true, and then display the category drop down. So now we only look at furniture, office supplies, and all. I hope this helps you with your Tableau journey. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Hi and welcome to another video of Tableau 101. This is going to be a quick one, but I do get this one asked a lot. So how can you remove the all button from a filter? And it's actually quite easy. So you go here and then remove the all filter, and this allows you to not have it in the selection. I hope this helped. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hi and welcome to Tableau 101. Today I want to show you how you can show the actual label if you're only using one measure. There's a quick and easy way to do it. All you have to do is you get another measure, you double click on it to get the second measure. So now you see both labels, and then you go into the filter shelf, click edit filter, and remove the one that you just added. You hit apply, OK, and you still have your label because now we have measure names in the column. I hope this helped. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hi, welcome to Tableau 101. Today I want to show you how you can add little diviner lines into your dashboard. So for example, if I want a section of this bit, what we can do is we can, for example, drag in a blank sheet, right? And then change the layout of the sheet to say background being black. We can then edit the height to just 1. Oh, it must be greater than the margins, that's right. So we need to remove the margins here on all sides and then edit the height to 1. And voila, we have a little divider line. Now it's probably a little bit too small, so we'll just make that maybe a 4. There you go. So now you can see the little divider line, and you can use this for anything really. I hope this helps you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe the videos. Hi and welcome to Tableau 101. Today I want to show you a bit about containers, horizontal and vertical containers in that regard. So hopefully it's visible to you guys that I've put borders on the containers to kind of like illustrate the layout of this dashboard. And what you can do is you can, for example, click into this title and then right click on this to select the vertical container. So you can see in which layout this container is. So you can see this is one part of a container, which also includes the two parameters. When we click on the parameters and select the horizontal container, you can see that they are inside this container, but are laid out in a horizontal way. So you can drop in, for example, other parameters. Let's say if we have order by, it'll drop them in that way. So if we also add sort by, you can see what I mean. The other thing you can do is you can have your horizontal and vertical containers distribute contents evenly. So by default, it should do that anyway, but you can also fix this. You can drag and drop, for example, if you want the first bit to be fixed, then all the others line up and spread out in an equal amount of way. If you don't want that anymore, you can remove the width and it'll adjust appropriately back to the normal view. So for example, here we have a fixed one. So again, we do the right click on any of the measures, select the container, which is the first container that it's in. Then you can see I have one blank page in here. That should probably be better here. Oh, I think that was the maximum that can go, so that the sales is centered. So we select the container and we select it again, so that you can see this. All of this here is inside the bigger container. And here we have category and region, which are in its own container in order to create the sizing for the labels. And then the labels for the other fields are in their own container here. And I hope this makes more sense here. So what I've done here is if we drag out the monthly category performance and drag it back in, you can see that this will always line up to the side, to the side, to the side, and so on, because this is a horizontal container. So now below the horizontal container is, if we click on vertical container, so this is a vertical container. So you can drag a horizontal container into a vertical container. And just to show you this, so this is a vertical container, and I can, for example, create a container which is a container. So this is a container with containers as the outer loop, and I can drag this in here and just pop it below here. So you can kind of create your layout that you want, pop it into a container, and then use that container to drag it into another container in order to create your final view. I know containers are not that easy to grasp, and it's probably one of the last things you would do, but it's so important for dashboard design. I can only recommend it, and I hope this kind of clears up the issues that people are having with containers. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Hi, welcome to Tableau 101. Today I want to show you how you can create two visualizations on the same spot, and basically turning them on and off or switching between them using a parameter. So what I've built here is just like a general superstore sales dashboard, and on the right hand side you see the parameter that controls the viz. And just to show you what we do with it, so if I turn it off, it changes the visualizations. It can be any visualization, and I'm just going to show you how we do that.
So for once, those are actually two sheets. So if you see here, I'm actually floating this over the other. And if we go into the sheet, you can see I have a little filter on that is linked to a parameter. So show heat map filter on, which is basically this here. So if the value in the parameter is on, then true, else false. And we set this to be always true. And here we just have an example of what the parameter says. It's basically just on or off. And yeah, then we float this over the other. And then on the parameter, we can basically switch the visualization, which in fact is just two sheets on top of each other. I hope this helped, and thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video.
Hi, in this video I'm showing you how you can replace your data source with another one. Let's say, for example, you are connected to this data source, but you want to switch to this one. You go to your sheet, click data, hit replace data source, and replace it. Hope this helped. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hi, welcome to Tableau 101. In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can add the total number of a stacked bar chart onto your graph. The easiest way of doing that is by adding a reference line. You change it to per cell computation, and we want to use the sum of our value, and the label should be the value. And we don't really want to have those lines in the way. We hit OK, and voila, your numbers are done. Thank you so much for watching. Hi and welcome to Tableau 101. Today I want to show you how you can get the labels that you see here at the top of the chart. You can do this by going into format. Sorry, it's in here. And then table layout and analysis, advanced. And then here show innermost level at the bottom of view when there is a vertical axis. So when you deactivate this and hit apply, the label will be at the top. I hope this helps you in your Tableau journey. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. Hi and welcome to Tableau 101. Today I want to show you how you can create your own separate color legend for your measure values. So what you see here, we have three measures, profit, quantity, and sales, and we want to show profit as positive and negative in green and red. So what you do is you find the measure values and you drag them into the color and then you right click on measure values and say use separate legends. What it'll do is it'll create a separate color legend for each of the measures that we have. And for profit, what we can do is, and we say custom diverging, we want to turn this into green and the other side into red. And then we do a stepped color for 2 and to the reversed. And then also want to just make sure that we start at -1 and 1 here. That way we already have a nice green and red here on this side. And for the rest, we also do custom diverging. But there we just want to do it black with step color 2. And the same for sales. So that way you have a nice table that shows one of the measures in your custom color and the other ones are still in black. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching.